So if you've been looking for a nice, professional, clean, and waterproof way to mount your Starlink Mini, this is what you want to get. This is a Starlink wall mount pass-through. And what this lets you do, it's a nice, clean, easy way to either mount this to like your motorhome, your RV, your camper, even for your home. You want to have a nice, clean install. Get one of these. It's going to make a huge difference. I'll zoom in on all the parts here for you. And here's the adapter. I'll give you a little close-up of it. This is aluminum, and nice black aluminum. It's going to last a long time and not rust away, and it does have a nice little cap on it. So this is great for if you have it on your camper, your motorhome, or your like any of those kind of vehicles. You can unplug it, take it down, put it away, especially if you're going to be on your motorhome and traveling around with it. You don't want your antenna up, you can do that. And it does come with a nice little cap, a little waterproof cap, so you can take that out, plug in your antenna when you install it back up. Or this is like also great, put on the side of your house. Nice, professional, clean install. A lot better than just having a wire through a hole in your wall. Nice, clean way to do it. And like I said, if you're done, you can just plug it back up, keep it waterproof. It comes with a nice little lead, get you through wherever you want to go through. And of course, that's the male end. And it does come with a little female-to-female adapter if you were to need one of those. And it comes with some gaskets, a couple nice gaskets. So you put this between here and the wall, and keep it nice and waterproof. An extra O-ring and some screws to mount it, nice black screws. And I'll kind of show you here on the back how you mount this. So you want to unscrew this, just like that. Take it out just like that, and you see it does have a nice little O-ring already there. And so what you're gonna do, you're gonna put this through the hole and then put the bracket back in there just like that. Get the O-ring back over there, and then put the nut on, bolt it down, and away you go. Really, really nice, super clean, very professional. Great way to install your Starlink Mini.